Hi, this is Tim Weskey on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip we're going to show you sword work, how we use the sword, targeting, things like that. If you want to see more information about this or live demos, you can see them at swordplayla.com. Alright, Josh, these are basically what you do is you have different positions of the body that we cut at or thrust at. Okay? The first one is the leg, then the body, and then the head. Each one of these areas has a target. So what happens is if I'm going for the leg, for example, I'm making a horizontal cut to a target on the leg. The target of the leg is basically right in here. Okay? Josh then would bring his weapon by using his hand, not his arm like this, but instead just simply dropping his hand to that position. With this part of his blade, this is called the fort, or the strength of his blade right here. It covers the target area. So if we start here on guard, and I make an attack with my blade making a horizontal cut, he's just simply meeting me there. If I go to his body, basically this is the target area that I'm always going for. It's at the horizontal cut. He again is making his parry to cover that target with this part of his blade. So we always know where the other one is, or we'll get all messed up. To make it a nice, clean, choreographed piece. I come here, then I go there. Josh makes his parry or a wall in front of him. Okay? In these particular ones, it's very easy to keep the point up. When you're inexperienced and practicing, keep the point up. Well, let me show you the different numbers of the parries. First, we'll just do the basic system. Here's 1. Okay? The other side of his leg is 2. We go to 3. Up on 4. This one's called 5. And to the other side of his head is called 6. It's a basic system.